second twins are with the mom. Right there. Only tail can be seen. And the third twins with their mama. I just finished moving the goats further. Earlier I just like put them here in this area. Now they're near the mango trees. Hello YouTube land. This is One Pinoy Chit Chats. It's herding time for me once again. In the Madre de Agua area. And old nests are here. But by the looks, my goats has eaten these leaves of Madre de Agua. Look at these guys. It should be big leaves, but now they're small-ish. Hi. Like sometimes they would jump up because they are tall goats. They would jump up the gate. William will do the gate when he can. Because right now, guys, William's belly is not okay-ish, so we don't rush on things. And that was here. The two nests are here. That's why this even got higher. Wait, look for the nests. Maybe the goats has ruined the nests. I don't know, guys. Like, it's gone. This area, this nest here, and another nest here somewhere. Oh, it's all gone now. I don't know, like maybe they have moved, or the babies have matured and they fly, and mama's also kind of left the nest, and the nest got damaged by my goats. I don't know. Because this area I haven't I did not get leaves from this area for like over a week now. So this morning I was way over there, and look at these guys. Hello. So I saw this nest for like I went, like, they just made it like a few days ago, maybe a week, and that was still empty. And look how they tied the nest up, guys. That's so nice, yeah. And now there are eggs. It's a different shape of egg. Is it just by the color that it looks like not an oblong? Yeah, so that one I cannot trim the leaves because of that nest. And anyway, I can't harvest from this area because the goats have chewed them already. I don't know when, nobody told me. Like whenever I go out, I don't know what's happening, and nobody's telling me what's happening. So it's gone also from here. Nest here. Let's look for another nest. Like some nests already gone. So this is where I got leaves this morning. And look at this, guys. This was eggs before, and now too bushy now because I just left the leaves for their shade. Oh! The other baby has woken up. Ah, how cute this. I'm not your mama, babies. Oh my god, they're so cute. Hello. I'm not sure what birds are they. Small birds surely, because their nest is small, and the mama would fit that size. Hello. I don't know. See, it's cute, guys. So cute. So let's look for more. No more. So only 2 are left. Or like really maybe damaged by my goats in that area. There were 2 there before. And I've seen eggs there before. So how good is that, guys? They're so cute. I don't know where's their mama. I haven't seen their mama. Like every time I come near, they would like rise up. Hello, how many? Just 2? Huh? Oh, it looks like a few days old now. So cute. So look at this, guys. Look what my goats has done. Eat my mangosteen tree. Now it looks small again. Super small again. I have another one here, but it's covered by the bougainvillea here. I think it's not the right area. I planted it here so it will hold the soil, but it's not growing. That means it doesn't like the area. So I don't know if I can still transfer this one, because it never grow. Like I planted it with like few leaves and now it's still the same. It's like leg high, leg height only. But it's sprouted at the bottom. Look at this. So I'm not sure what's happening, but when Nong Fredo comes to work again, maybe I will ask him to kind of plant this somewhere that's shady, because this like shades, guys. Shady area. That's bad. Hi, Mamba. She keeps following me everywhere because like it's 2 days already that I haven't given her chilies. I'm gonna get today so she can have tomorrow. Right now, I am standing outside the maid's room. And from the maid's room, the view is the piggery. Like, there's smoke because the neighbor in the other hill is making fire in their bush. But like from here I can see that the piggery there has fenced their area. That's good, right? That's good. So I hope they will not have problems with drains later on and drop their waste to our creek down here. The creek is down here. So let's just hope for the best. They haven't put the pigs yet. As far as I know, it's so hard to get permits, even if the community majority of the residents here have signed, you know, the thing that they have signed before in my previous vlog. A neighbor signed to agree that they put up that piggery there to generate employment, blah blah blah, over in our purok, in our area. Well, I did not sign for approval, but even if the company gets an approval from the community here, there's still more approvals or like permits needed to operate their business. That I know from my relative who has, it's a poultry, it's a chicken business, but the same thing, it's commercial. Like one big chicken house is like 50,000, and then it's harvested in one time. And like right now I think it accommodates 150,000 chickens. You know, those that are being sent in the malls and in some market stalls. So yeah, Snowflake is starting to mess with the girls. Yes, like my cousin, it took him more than a year to complete all the permits and certificates, whatever. So I don't know, like it's not been a year yet since they get they tried to get all our signatures here. So I don't know, no pigs yet, no nothing. There's no deliveries of food yet. So we will just have to wait and see if they will be able to operate that piggery that is I still can't get it, guys. I don't know, like they say the consultant is from the United States of America, and the eggs of the flies will become the feeds of the pigs. Is it for real? I cannot imagine yet that the eggs of the flies will become feeds. So I'm back with my goat. Samson is like, mommy, nobody wants to mate with me. It's almost 5 o'clock and almost closing time here in the farm. And it's gonna be a gate session soon. So bye for now. Thank you for tuning in to One Pinoy Chick Chats. Bye!